Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can solve the issue of copywriting on TikTok. First of all, open the TikTok mobile application. As you can see, I'm in the home page of TikTok. Go to your profile that is appearing in the bottom right corner. Once you're here, as you can see, if you're having a issue of copywriting, there are three things you can do. The first one is probably the issue is because of your music that you have put it on your TikTok. This music is produced by some other creator or some other company. So how to solve this problem? The first thing you can do is just contact the company or the creator of which that music is, and you can just easily contact him and solve your issue. The other thing you can do is just re-upload the video with the removed music. Or the third thing, what you can do is click on the hamburger icon, the three horizontal lines that are appearing on the top right. From here, go to settings and privacy. Here, go to account. My account is already personal, so if you're having a business account or public account, you can just easily convert to personal account, and you can use any music you want. No copyright will be considered on your TikTok account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.